LBC, and it looks like it's arriving. So let's go pay for it. It's okay. 1,110. 10?
Yeah. 1,110.
Oh. Kadit lang. That's supposed to be for you. Ma, do you have 10?
Yes, I do. Oh, big coins though.
Sorry, that's just extra for you. Sorry.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh. Okay?
Okay.
All right, salamat. All right, so we got another package from LBC, but from Lazada. So we will open this up and see what it is. It took, wow, a good 4 weeks or so for this to arrive. But now that it's here, we can get it installed. And so there we go. So basically it's going to replace this so we can put a top box on top. And once we get the top box, I paid about 1,100 pesos for this. That's delivered. And it came from Manila again, so we will get this installed. All right, what's up guys? Kevin here with LumpiaLife. We got the Raven bracket. Got this off of Lazada. Made in Thailand, alloy steel. Made for the Honda Click 125i, 2019 Honda Click. Made by Surfi. Let's take the old one off and put the new one on. Okay guys, we are complete with the install. It took, I don't know, maybe 5-10 minutes, but basically you have 2 long bolts, 1 short one, and if we lift up the seat, it's easier to get to these bolts here. These are number 14. This is a short one, and then you got the 2 long ones here. But very easy. This is made by Surfi, made in Thailand. It is alloy steel, and it's made for the Honda Click 125i 2019. But basically fits like a glove. Very nice. We found a top box at one of the stores here in Butuan City, Philippines. This is a BMX brand. Kind of looks like BMW, but and BMX is mostly bicycle motocross. But this is a top box, and it is a 30 liter. Holds about 6.6 pounds for the load. So not very heavy duty, but enough to transport things back and forth. Probably holds about one helmet. So let's take a look at this box here. Bought a tool for it while we were there. So this is the box. This top box, it cost me 699 pesos. And we have stores here in Butuan. They're called Unitop. and we found this at a store kind of like Unitop. It was called WeHome, but it's a pretty solid box, and I think it's going to do the job. Doesn't have the backrest, but it's all good. And it does have a lock here. So let's see. How do we get into it? Oh, there we go. So it's capable for at least one helmet, and then maybe if you're carrying a light load of whatever. But let's see, so you got the plate here. This is like a universal plate. And then you got your hardware that goes on with it. So let me show you what's in the hardware bag, and we'll get this going and install this up here. So this is the hardware for installing the plate onto your bike. These here, when you're installing this, they go on the top. You line it up with the box or the bracket underneath, and then so that's what the square ones are for. And then you put your washer on top of that. Here, let's show you here, just so you're not. I had to watch a bunch of YouTube videos to figure this out, because there are no instructions that come with it. And then this piece we will bracket onto the bottom, and I will show you that once we get going here. So that is then you put your little nut there. So let's go outside, put this on, and get this box installed. Okay guys, when you are getting ready to install the plate here, make sure the small end goes in the back and the wider end goes in the front, facing the steering, and then this part goes in the back. So again, this is the Raven rack that I got off of Lazada. We did install on that. Very simple, but basically we're just going to line up our holes here. Now you see how they're square, and then we got these square like washers, so they'll just drop down in here like that. Again, I learned this all on YouTube. There were no instructions when I picked this up, so if I'm doing it wrong, leave it down there in the comments. Okay, we got our washers here. Let's make sure this is all lined up square. Looks pretty good. Long screws, bolts, oops.
Come on, baby.
Okay, so we got that in. Okay, so because these are so long here underneath, it'd be best with a crescent wrench, possibly, or a deeper socket. These aren't very deep, so I'm having to use vice grip. So it's number, what did we say, number 10 for the screws. So let's go ahead and put the brackets on. Go this way. Okay, we got them all in, and again, if we had the right tools, it'd be a lot easier, but as you can see, this is how it turned out. And it just brackets to the Raven bracket with these brackets, bracket. But okay, let's try the top box, see how it goes. As you can see, we have 2 holes here, and I'll show you, and then a clip back here. So, oh, once we're finished, this is like a finish off piece, just to make it flat. And then you can just use it, you know, put your load here, put a bungee cord across. So, we're gonna go ahead and put the box on, make sure it's square, and then we'll go ahead and finish off that piece. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it in the light here, but you got these 2 tabs back here on the top box itself, and those just slide right into here. Right into here, like so. And then it should just click down like that, and we have our top box installed. Now the cool thing about this is that, like, if we go on vacation or whatever, we can just push this button with our gear in it, take it to our room if we're on vacation. So it does come on and off very easily, and it is secure on the bike. We can lock it up. So it's all locked up, ready to go. So basically, that is the BMX top box installed on the Honda Click 125i. Let's put the seat down, make sure the seat fits. So let's go ahead and put the finish plate on top. So I'll go ahead and unlock it one more time. We'll remove the box just like that. Now this finish plate has some little tabs, and it just snaps into place here. So. Just like that. Easy peasy. Now we'll put the box back on. We are good to go. Solo. All right. Hey guys, that's it for now. We got the top box installed. We got the bracket installed. We are ready to hit the road. We got some extra storage, which will be very helpful on the road. When we're going back and forth to the beach house, or if we're going on vacation or whatever. But pretty simple install, and hope you got something out of it, and I hope it helped you install yours, because this doesn't come with instructions. So anyway, stay safe, stay virus free. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Smash that like button. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.